Here's a step-by-step guide on setting up the frequently bought together store block. From the home page of the ModeMagic app, click on Apps on the left side of the screen. Select Frequently Bought Together. Before we go forward with setting up the Frequently Bought Together, please note that this bundle is an automated bundle. ModeMagic automatically recommends and displays products that have been your store's top bestsellers in the last 30 days. Once this bundle is enabled on your store and the customer clicks on Add Selected to Cart, the customer will be redirected to the checkout page. Now let's get started. Click on Templates on the top left corner of your screen. From here, select the template of your choice. Under Settings, you can see that the products are automatically being picked up by ModeMagic. Click on Offer and then set up the fixed or the percentage discount which you would like to set up for this bundle. Now click on Design. Under Design, you can make the required edits to this product bundle. From the top of the screen, click on each device to see how the frequently bought together store block will be appearing across different devices, and you can make the required edits. From the top of the screen, click on Show Frequently Bought Together for all products. From here, you can set up the display settings, that is, which all pages will the store block be appearing on, and the position of the page, that is, where will the frequently bought together appear on this page. In order to know more about position and page, please refer to our help article. Once all of this is set up, click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen. Thank you.